Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook octopus tender. First, ensure your octopus is completely clean, meticulously removing any eyes and the hard beak. Rinse it thoroughly under cold water, then pat it completely dry with paper towels. This initial preparation is crucial, establishing a clean foundation for the next steps. Taking your time here guarantees a much better outcome, setting the stage for truly tender octopus. The secret to tender octopus often lies in the boil and shock method. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then immerse the octopus for about 3 to 5 minutes. Immediately plunge it into an ice bath for 10 minutes, halting the cooking process. Repeating this cycle 2 or 3 times breaks down the tough fibers, ensuring a remarkably tender texture every single time. Once tenderized, your octopus is ready for its final flavorful preparation. Grilling it over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes per side develops beautiful char marks and a smoky taste. For a crispy texture, pan-sear it quickly in hot olive oil with a touch of garlic and herbs. You can also braise it gently in a rich sauce, allowing the flavors to meld perfectly. To complete your tender octopus dish, simple seasoning is often best. A generous drizzle of high-quality olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and chopped parsley will beautifully highlight its delicate flavor. Always check for fork tenderness. It should offer no resistance when pierced, ensuring it's perfectly cooked. Serve your delicious creation warm, perhaps with roasted potatoes or a refreshing salad for an unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.